Addressing the social media claims made over the weekend that the Ocean View COVID-19 facility is understaffed, the Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony, during Monday's COVID-19 update, explained that, as far as he is aware, there is adequate staffing, inclusive of doctors, nurses, physiotherapists, and other required medical personnel to attend to the patients housed at the facility.
Well, as far as I'm aware, we do have adequate staffing for the amount of patients that we have at the facility. We have a complement of doctors, we have other medical personnel who are required to be there, persons like physiotherapists and laboratory people and so forth.
As of Sunday, 334,333, which is 65.2% of the adult population, had received the first dose of a vaccine, while 173,999, which is 33.9%, had already been fully immunized.
So the vaccination for adults, we have had so far 334,333 persons who would have received the first dose of one of the COVID-19 vaccines that we are giving. This amounts to about 65.2% of our adult population.
With the death toll increasing by another 4 in the last 24 hours, 129 persons are hospitalized across the country. Of that number, 92 are at the Ocean View facility, where 6 are maternal cases and 29 are in intensive care unit. The 36 deaths recorded over the past week are all unvaccinated persons, the minister mentioned, which took the death toll to now 687 persons.
Over the last 24 hours, we would have had 4 new deaths, and most of these have occurred at the Ocean View Hospital. And over the last week, we had 36 deaths. What is important to note that in the last week, the 36 deaths that we have had, all of them were unvaccinated.
As cases of new infections continue to surge, 11 persons are hospitalized at the West Demerara Regional Hospital, 6 of whom are receiving oxygen, 7 at the Maikoni Hospital, 6 of whom are receiving oxygen, and 5 persons at the New Amsterdam Hospital, 3 of whom are receiving oxygen as they fight for their lives. The other medical institution with COVID-19 patients, in addition to the Liliandaal facility, are Bartica and Wismar hospitals. 9 pregnant mothers who are COVID-19 positive are also being treated at the GPHC. Meanwhile, as it relates to adolescent vaccination rollout, 18,299 young people, or 25.1% of the eligible population, have been vaccinated. Region 8 has so far recorded the lowest vaccination rate, with a paltry 6 adolescents. As could be expected, Region 4 is in the lead, with 7,354 youths already accessing the vaccines. Reporting for 8GP Nightly News, Alana Nadir.